In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Linkpop by Shopify. To begin, you are going to open the settings area of your Shopify admin. This is where Shopify lets you manage the apps that connect to your store, as well as the sales channels and other tools you might use. If you are not already logged into Shopify, go ahead and sign in now, and make sure you are looking at your main admin dashboard. Once you are there, you will focus on the section called Settings. Next, go to Settings, then Apps and Sales Channels. You can usually find this within the left-hand menu, where Shopify organizes common store preferences. On screen, you should see an area that lists your currently connected apps and the sales channels that you have enabled. This step matters because Linkpop is an app, and you will need to work with the Shopify App Store to install it. So take a moment to click into Settings, then Apps and Sales Channels, and wait for the page to load fully. After that page opens, you will be ready to find the app you need. In the Apps and Sales Channels area, look for an option that takes you to the Shopify App Store. This is typically a button or a link labeled something like Shopify App Store. Click Shopify App Store to continue. This part is important because Linkpop is not added by typing a code or making changes in your existing BioLink area manually. Instead, you install the tool through the official store, which keeps the process safe and supported. Now that you are in the Shopify App Store, you will search for Linktree. On the search field, type Linktree and then start the search. You might notice that Linktree is often associated with link in bio features, and Shopify provides a replacement option through Linkpop. So this is not just a random search. You are specifically looking for the Linktree listing that Shopify can replace with the Linkpop Bio Link tool. Make sure the results load and confirm you are on the listing that matches what you need. Once you locate Linktree in the search results, click Install. Shopify will now guide you through adding the replacement BioLink tool to your store. Before you proceed, take a quick moment to read what Shopify says on the install screen. Look for details that confirm it is related to Linkpop by Shopify and that it is meant to replace your BioLink tool. This helps you avoid installing the wrong item and ensures you are getting exactly what the tutorial intends. When you click Install, Shopify may ask you to confirm permissions or approve the app connection. Follow the prompts exactly as they appear on screen. If there is any section that indicates what the app can access, review it briefly so you understand what you are allowing. This step is about making sure the installation completes successfully, and it also ensures that your store can use the BioLink functionality properly. After the install process is complete, you will have the Linkpop replacement BioLink tool added to your store. At this point, the app is set up and you can move on to using it as your BioLink solution depending on how your storefront and channels are configured. If Shopify shows a confirmation message or brings you back to the apps page, that is a good sign that everything is installed and connected. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.